Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove backgrounds from your object in CapCut PC using the customized cutout brush. So you can basically remove anything from any object. So go to Cutout, you'll need Pro for this. Select Customize and you are going to select the brush. You can also adjust the brush size here. I'm just going to kind of circle where I want to cut out the object from. Roughly, it doesn't have to be perfect because you can like erase some stuff later and it will detect everything, so you just need to basically outline it. I'm going to use the eraser tool here to remove some of that blue stuff. Again, you can use the sizing to adjust the brush size, of course. Whoops, that's a little bit too much. Okay, so it's not going to be super perfect. And then you're just going to select apply, and as you can see, it has removed the background and you're left with this. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.